Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to show you how to master the art of draping a heavy sari with 7 expert tips. So let's get started. Tip number 1: first, wear the right innerwear. Choose a well-fitted blouse and petticoat that match your sari colors. This will give you a seamless look. Tip number 2: while draping, make sure to tuck in the sari nicely at best and be careful not to pull it too tight as it may cause discomfort later on. Tip number 3: to make sure your sari stay in place, use safety pin. Strategically pin the plates together and secure the pallu on your shoulder to prevent any slipping. And tip number 4: when wearing a heavy sari, consider adding a waist belt and kamarband or added support. This will not only enhance your overall look but also prevent the sari from sagging. Tip number 5: it's important to maintain good posture while wearing a heavy sari. Stand tall and avoid slouching to showcase the elegance of your ensemble. And tip number 6: if you want to add a touch of glamour, accessorize with statement jewelry. A beautiful necklace, earring and bangles can elevate your sari games. And tip number 7: lastly, practically makes perfect. Don't hesitate to try different draping style and experiment with your sari to find what suit you best. And that's it. With these 7 expert tips, you will be able to flawlessly drape a heavy sari. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more fashion tips and tricks. Then bye, take care guys, and thank you for watching my video.